How to access Google Sites on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you access Google Sites on phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just open any browser on your system, like you can open your Chrome or Safari browser. Alright, after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to search for Google site, and after you search it, you can easily find the official site of Google Sites. So simply tap on the option Google Sites. Alright, so after you open Google Site on your phone, it will show you like to create or edit a site. You'll have to just go to Google Site on your desktop. So from your to access the Google Site on your phone, you'll have to just tap on the option three dot just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from this section you'll have to scroll down and go the options like request desktop site. So simply tap on the option request desktop site. Alright, so as you can see, I have changed my browser settings to desktop site, and from this way I can easily access the Google Sites on my phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.